WideTEK 36DS is the only wide-format color scanner that scans both sides of a page in a single pass. Based on the latest CCD technology from Image Access, it scans up to 36-inch wide documents at very high speeds in excellent quality. Automatic document position and size detection eliminates the need for complicated settings and also the need for time-consuming extra software adjustments. The WideTEK 36DS is the fastest scanner on the market, even when scanning in single-side mode. But the amazing part is that the scanner runs at the same speed in double-sided operation, due to its two independent camera and computer systems. It never stops or slows down during scanning, even at the highest color depth and document width. The paper path of this production machine is made of stainless steel and glass only. The absence of plastic parts prevents the buildup of static electricity, early wear and tear, and also makes cleaning as simple as possible. This makes the WT36DS the preferred scanner for all newspaper applications, whether freshly printed or historical. LED illumination and true 600 dpi optical resolution provide details of the scanned document not even visible to the human eye. The color space of these cameras is much wider than sRGB, and our unique online ICC profiling eliminates the last remaining imperfections. The virtual rescan function eliminates the need to physically rescan documents. Almost all scanning parameters can be changed on the fly, and the results appear instantly on the preview screen attached directly to the scanner. The WideTEK 36DS requires no external PC to operate the scanner. It scans to USB sticks, to SMB and FTP storage devices, to the cloud, or even directly to mobile devices like iPads and Android tablets via Scan-to-Pad. All of our scanners feature the unique Scan-to-Net technology. It includes a 1 GB network interface and code-free access through any browser, whether it's a Windows, Mac, or Linux host. The intuitive touchscreen with sound feedback controls most of the machine functionality. The optional Batch Scan Wizard assists in larger conversion jobs. It organizes batches and jobs and keeps track of every change. Productivity measured in documents per hour is unmatched in the industry. 600 and more newspaper pages per hour at 200 dpi color is easy to achieve, even by an untrained operator. The WideTEK 36DS is a true production scanner, built to last for millions of scans with little or no maintenance requirements. Exactly what you would expect from a quality product made in Germany by Image Access.